Welcome back to Unmasking Narcissism TV, the channel where we unravel the complexities of narcissistic behavior and guide you on your journey to healing. Today, we have a crucial topic to explore: breaking free, rebuilding self-esteem after narcissistic abuse. Survivors of narcissistic abuse often find themselves on a challenging road to rebuilding self-esteem. Today, we'll delve into the profound impact narcissistic abuse has on our self-worth and share actionable steps to help you regain confidence and reclaim your identity. 1. The impact of narcissistic abuse on self-esteem. The impact of narcissistic abuse on self-esteem is profound and often long-lasting. The constant gaslighting, manipulation, and emotional rollercoaster can leave deep scars on our self-worth. Understanding this impact is the first step toward healing. 2. Steps to rebuild self-esteem and regain confidence. Now, let's explore the essential steps to rebuild self-esteem and regain confidence after narcissistic abuse. Point 1. Understanding how narcissistic abuse affects self-worth. One of the key steps is understanding how narcissistic abuse affects your self-worth. We'll explore the subtle ways narcissists chip away at your confidence and share insights to help you recognize and overcome these patterns. Point 2. Building self-esteem through self-affirmation and positive self-talk. Positive self-talk and self-affirmation are powerful tools in rebuilding self-esteem. We'll discuss practical techniques to cultivate a positive mindset, empower yourself, and break free from the negative narratives that narcissists may have imposed on you. Rebuilding self-esteem is a process that takes time and effort. Here are 10 tips to help you on your journey. 1. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes and experiences setbacks. Treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer a friend. 2. Set realistic goals. Break larger goals into smaller, achievable steps. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small, as they contribute to your overall sense of achievement. 3. Challenge negative thoughts. Pay attention to negative thoughts and challenge them. Replace self-critical thoughts with positive and affirming ones. Remind yourself of your strengths and achievements. 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with supportive and positive people who uplift you. Distance yourself from individuals who bring negativity or contribute to feelings of inadequacy. 5. Engage in activities you enjoy. Do things that bring you joy and a sense of accomplishment. Engaging in activities you love can boost your confidence and remind you of your unique skills and talents. 6. Learn from mistakes. Instead of dwelling on mistakes, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Analyze what went wrong, identify what you can do differently, and apply these lessons moving forward. 7. Prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Get enough sleep, eat healthily, exercise, and engage in activities that promote relaxation and stress reduction. 8. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out for support from friends, family, or a therapist. Talking about your feelings and experiences can provide valuable insights and help you feel understood. 9. Celebrate your uniqueness. Embrace your individuality. Recognize and celebrate the qualities that make you unique. Avoid comparing yourself to others, as everyone's journey is different. 10. Establish boundaries. Set clear boundaries to protect yourself from negativity and toxic influences. Learning to say no and prioritize your well-being is an important aspect of rebuilding self-esteem. Rebuilding self-esteem after narcissistic abuse is a journey, and you're not alone. Remember, healing is a process, and every step you take towards regaining your confidence is a victory. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unmasking Narcissism TV for more insightful content on navigating the path to recovery. Also visit our website www.unmaskingnarcissism.com. There you can also download a free ebook with 10 tips for recovery after narcissistic abuse. Thank you for joining us on Unmasking Narcissism TV. Until next time, take care of yourself, and remember, you deserve to thrive.